Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Wolf channel. Today's video is going to be another smashing channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification. It is very important, please. And if you enjoy my content, don't forget to like my video, leave a comment. It will encourage me to make more videos. It will give me ginger and it will make me look for interesting, valuable content for you guys right now. Before the popularity of affiliate marketing, where if you turn to the left you see affiliate marketing, you turn to the right you see affiliate marketing, there were ways people were making money online. One of those ways is survey, and let me tell you the funny thing, survey still pays people money to today. The only thing is that, when it comes to survey, there are some platforms that do not allow Nigerians or people from Africa, and there are some platforms that do not pay very huge amount of money compared to other platforms. But today's video I'll be showing you platforms that pay people money to carry out survey. For those of you that don't understand what survey means, survey simply means answering questions. So the organizations from time to time want to know the feedback of people concerning their product, their services, or how to improve their brand. So what they do is they carry out survey, they ask people questions, and they give people gifts or reward or money in return for answering the questions. So what I'll be doing is I'll be heading over to my computer screen. I'll be showing you legitimate platforms where you can make money doing survey, right? Don't forget to like my video, hit the subscribe button while we head over to my computer screen. Let's go there.
The first platform I'll be talking about is Eureka Surveys, EUREKA surveys.com. This platform is a platform that genuinely pays people to use their platform. And one beautiful thing about Eureka Survey is that you are guaranteed to make $1 for completing your first survey, right? For you to complete your first survey, you will make $1 and you can begin to withdraw your money if you make $5, which means you just need 5 surveys to make $5, which is very easy to get. Do they pay? Yes, they genuinely pay. Look at this. Earn money online with paid surveys. You can cash out instantly to your PayPal or through gift card. You are guaranteed to make $1 by completing your first survey, and all you need is just $5 to begin to withdraw your money on eureka.com. Now, this platform genuinely pays. This platform actually pay. Take this video very serious because this is 100% true. People are making money from eureka.com. Now let's scroll down. Why Eureka Surveys? Now, the beautiful thing about Eureka Surveys is that they give you instant payment, instant cash out. You can cash out your money to your PayPal and you can actually make money from different international brands, good brands, big brands that have money like Nike, Adidas, Coca-Cola. You can take their surveys and make money. Now you are guaranteed to make money because there's always a job every time you check on eureka.com. Now it is the #1 survey app with over 200,000 plus reviews with a 4.8 stars, which means over 200,000 people are telling you that this app is an awesome app. They make money, it is dope, and it is genuinely true, which is actually very, very spot on and correct because I have researched this app and I know this app genuinely pays. So for those of you that do not have a laptop, you can actually take your survey with your mobile device. If you are using Apple, you can download this platform on App Store. If you are using Android, you can download this app on Google Play Store. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you the interface of the platform where you can begin to make $1, which is equivalent to like 730 Naira every day. You can even make more than that because if you do one survey, you're making $1 every day, which is 730 Naira every day, and you can make way more than this. Now let's go through the interface. I've logged into my account. You can see here we have the surveys, the daily pulls, the cash out, and the history, right? If you click on the survey, you're going to see all the surveys you can take. Now this survey is going to take you 1 minute. Once you complete this survey, you're going to get $1, 2 penny in return. $1, 2 penny in return. If you finish this one too, you get $1. You finish this one, you get 20 cents. Look at this. If you add all this together, you have like $2, 2 cents or $2.22, which is like almost 1,500 plus once you create your account and you start doing your survey. Now the next part of this platform, you have the daily pulls. This is a place where you can see informations. Now for the daily pulls, you can just come here and answer questions. So they ask you, how do you address your mother? May I call my mother mommy? I don't know what you call your mom. It's just you answering question in the daily pool, right? And once you answer, you're going to get 1 cent. 1 cent, you just claim your 1 cent. It's as simple as that. Now, some people call their mother mom, some people call your mother mommy, but me, I call my mother mommy. You just get your 1 cent from the daily pool. Now, if you want to withdraw your money, you click on your cash out, you're going to see the various ways you can collect your money. One of the platforms you use in collecting your money is PayPal. A lot of Nigerians advise you that PayPal should be the platform you can use to collect your money, and all you need is a minimum of $5 to start withdrawing your money. Now, Nigerians are allowed to create PayPal account, but the PayPal account they create is only to make payment online. Nigerians are not allowed to receive money or receive payment with their PayPal, but there is a way we can solve this. There's a way we solve it. I cannot go on to start making that video. It's going to make this video very long. I don't even know if you guys need it. Maybe some of you even have PayPal you are using to receive money. If you don't, leave a comment that I don't have a PayPal to receive money. Make a video on that. Once I see that a lot of you guys need this, I'm going to make a video on it. If you like this content, I have like 4 other survey platforms that also pays, like Eureka.com, like Eureka Surveys. Just let me know. I'm going to go on to make videos about them, right? If you create your PayPal account, you can easily withdraw your money with PayPal. Some people can collect their money with Amazon gift card and sell, but me, I'll tell you the best is to withdraw using PayPal. This is a platform that genuinely pays. Eureka.com, you can get it on your mobile phone, you can get it on Google App Store. You can go on and take the surveys and begin to make money. I would have loved to do these 3 surveys, but because this is a video where I'm teaching you guys tutorial, I wouldn't want it to be too long. I'm going to end this video here. If you want me to make content on other survey platforms, just leave a comment and tell me more videos. I'll go on to make the video. That is, you guys like this video and you guys want more content like this. But this is where I'll end this video for now. I hope you find this video very helpful. The least you can do is to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn my bell post notification on, and also leave a positive comment. It helps my algorithm. Thank you very much. I love you. I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out, and I'm open to answering all your questions in the comment section. Bye for now.